Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Bronchiectasis, and we are looking at its types. So the first one will be the cylindrical. So there is cylindrical. So how does cylindrical look? So this is a rough diagram of how the cylindrical looks. So here, this is the mildest form of bronchiectasis. So this is mildest, very mild, mildest form of bronchiectasis. There's a loss of normal airway tapering. So there's a loss of normal airway tapering. Next is the bronchi have a uniform caliber. So the bronchi, they have a uniform caliber. So there's a uniform caliber, as well as they have a parallel wall track, tram track sign. So there's a parallel wall tram track sign. Tram track sign. As well as there is a signet ring sign. There's a signet ring sign which is seen. So wall tram track sign and the signet ring sign. This was about cylindrical. Now let's move on to the saccular or valvulus or the varicose. Saccular or the varicose. So this, if you look at the diagram, rough diagram, this is how it looks. So in varicose, there's a further distortion of the airway wall. So there is distortion of airway wall. And along with more mucus and sputum production. So there is more of mucus. So there's mucus as well as the sputum production. Sputum production. And looking at the beaded appearance. So the appearance wise, there is a beaded bronchi. There's presence of beaded bronchi. So there is beaded bronchi, and this is with the interspersed sites of relative narrowing. So there's beaded bronchi with the interspersed site for the relative narrowing. Now lastly, let's look at the cystic. So how does the cystic look? So this is how the cystic looks. So here the cystic is the more severe form of bronchiectasis. It is the most and the severe form. It is severe. Most and the severe form of bronchiectasis, and it is least common and it is less common. And this forms a large air spaces and a honeycombed appearance. So they have large spaces as well as honeycomb appearance, honeycomb appearance. They have the air fluid levels. So the air fluid levels are present. This is present. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.